Okay, dear students, we are in mathematical induction, class 11, mathematics. Okay, NCRT. In last class, in 4.1 exercise, we finished question number 12 or problem number 12. Okay, now we will see 13. Try to solve 5 questions in this class 13, 14, 15, 16, 17. Okay, let us see 13th question what they have given. 1 plus 3 by 1 into 1 plus 5 by 4 into 1 plus 7 by 9 into. That means here plus not there. Into. Multiplication. Continuous multiplication. That means it is like geometric series. Afterwards we will see geometric is what is geometric series. 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square. That means this series, multiplication series or geometric series will go up to 1 plus 2n plus 1 by n square. That equal to what we have to prove? N plus 1 whole square. Okay, this has to be proved by mathematical induction. Why? Because we are in mathematical induction chapter, principle of mathematical induction chapter. And clearly they have given n belongs to n. That means all these are natural numbers like they have given. First step they have given, you need not write again or else you can write. Second step you see, this you have to take as proposition, Pn. Okay. You have to take again, but I am taking it as Pn by rubbing this simply. But you don't do that. You write again Pn. Now proposition I have taken. Next step what I have to do? Next step is P1. Okay. Let us do P1, P of 1. Okay. P of 1, what we have seen normally first element or identity or first part of this series we have to take. Okay, first term rather than term is better word. First term we have to take. You see here directly you can take, or else if you have got any doubt, you see this is Pn, this is P1, you substitute 1 if you substitute 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 by 1 square, 3 by 1, 1 plus 3 by 1, 1 plus 3 by 1 is there. Then you write 1 plus 3 by 1. See 3 by 1 I am not writing 3, I am writing 1 plus 3. That is equal to, okay. See 1 plus 1 whole square, 2 square. Okay, 4 plus 4, 4 is equal to 4. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now what you can write here? You can write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Right now. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. This we have to write. Next step is see 3 steps are over. N belongs to n, Pn, P1. 5 steps are there, important steps. Pk plus 1 are pending. Let us do P of k. P of k colon. Simply copy this Pn but replace this n with k. Okay. Okay. 1 plus 3 by 1 into 1 plus 5 by 4 into 1 plus 7 by 9 into 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square is equal to k plus 1 whole square. Is it okay? You see, I have replaced n with k. Same series is going to repeat. Okay. Now, important step we have to write. What you have to write? Assume pk is true. That you have to write. Let us write assume pk is true. Assume p of k is true. Okay, this is very important step. Why? Because these are conditions. We have to take this. After taking these only, we can proceed. Okay, now the final step is P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1, if you are able to prove LHS is equal to RHS, then the problem is going to be finished. That's all. Let us write P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. You see, P of k plus 1, that means P of k, another one step will come. Okay. See how I am writing. 1 plus 3 by 1 into 1 plus 5 by 4 into, now I am not writing this for saving the space. Okay. This step I am writing here. 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square Now important step is this one. You see here k is multiplying. While writing k plus 1 in place of k plus 1, directly you cannot add. See how I am writing here. 2k plus 1. 2k plus 1. But in place of k plus 1 you have to write. 2 into k plus 1 plus 1. 2k plus 2 plus 1. That is equal to 2k plus 3. Okay. What I am writing here? 2k plus 3 I am writing here. Okay. 2k plus 3 by here k plus 1. K plus 1 whole square. Now better you put this bracket rather than parenthesis. That is equal to. Okay, here earlier k plus 1 was there. Now k plus 1 plus 1. That directly you can write k plus 2. Addition only. K plus 2 whole square. Okay, this you have to prove. But what you have to do, you box this RHS. Why? Because this has to be proved. This has to be proved. If box is there, immediately your view will go there. Focus. Okay, now important step, another step we have to write. To prove pk plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. Yes, definitely. Write that one. To prove P of k plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, this you have to prove. Okay. Let us write only LHS. Why? Because RHS we have to prove. We should not take RHS. The RHS has to come. LHS you take. LHS. Okay. See, if you observe carefully LHS, up to 1 plus 2k plus 1 by k square, this value we have got here, k plus 1 whole square. Okay. Shall I replace this? K plus 1 square into this one you have to take. Okay. I am going to take this bigger one. 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square is equal to. You understand now this step? Why? Because if only LHS of pk plus 1 I have taken this. RHS I have to prove. But while taking this, I know that up to this term value is there, k plus 1 whole square. That is why I have taken k plus 1 whole square into 1 plus 2k plus 3 by k plus 1 whole square. You see, you keep it like that only, but you, what we can say, simplify this. K plus 1 square into 2k plus 1 by k plus 1 square. Write down. K plus 1 square plus here denominator 1 is there. 1 into 2k plus 3 divided by k plus 1 whole square. If you observe here, k plus 1 square, k plus 1 square, we can cancel out each other. But here you cannot do. Why? Because 1 by 1 still process was there. We have completed the process. Now k plus 1 square is in multiplication, division with this one. Okay, you can cancel out. If you cancel out, automatically k plus 1 square, 2k plus 3 will come. But what I am going to do, one step I am jumping. I have cancelled these two. This I am expanding. Okay, let me expand that. How I am doing, you see. That is equal to k square plus 2k plus 1 plus 2k plus 3. You understand this step? Now k plus 1 square, k plus 1 square is not there. They have got cancelled both. K plus 1 whole square I have expanded. K square plus 2k plus 1. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Okay. 2k plus 3 is there. Now you add this. K square plus 4k plus 4. Is it okay? K square plus 4k, 2k plus 2k plus 4, 3 plus 1. Now if you look this, automatically k plus 2 whole square like it is appearing. A square plus b square plus 2ab. K square plus 4 plus 2 into k. 4k. You see? Okay. Now you can write this as k plus 2 whole square, that is equal to RHS. Okay, now RHS has come. Finally, what you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS, Pn is true. That's all. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS comma hence P of n is true. Okay. Like this you have to write and close this question. You understand? Na? Here nothing complexity is there to explain again. Okay. Let us go for 14th question. This is also like geometric series only, multiplication into. Okay, not plus plus. 1 plus 1 by 1, that means here 2 will come. 1 by 1 means 1 only, 1 plus 1 2. 1 plus 1 by 2, 1 plus 1 by 3 up to 1 plus 1 by n is there, this series, but all multiplication. This you have to prove as n plus 1. Okay. Okay. Now n belongs to n they have given. That step you need not take again. What I am going to do, this number I am going to change as Pn, but you have to repeat this. You don't change, you repeat. Okay. Okay. Now second step also over. Third step is P1. P1 you have to prove LHS is equal to RHS. P1. LHS you see first term you have to take, or else you go here 1 plus 1 by 1. 1 because why? Because n plus 1 has come. 1 plus 1 by 1. 1 plus 1 2. 2. That is equal to RHS you see 1 plus 1 2. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. Now you write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Now we have finished only 3 steps. N belongs to n. We have not written, but even then you consider it as finished. Pn, P1. 2 more steps are there. Pk, Pk plus 1. Let us write Pk first. Okay. P of k. P of k. Okay. You copy this Pn, but you replace n with k. Okay, I am copying. You see 1 plus 1 by 1 into 1 plus 1 by 2 into 1 plus 1 by 3. 1 plus 1 by k you have to write. Okay. And here RHS k plus 1 will come. K plus 1 will come. RHS. Okay. Now, important step we have to write. Which one? Assume Pk is true. Yes. Write down. Assume P of k is true. Okay. Okay. Now P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1 also you have to find. You have to prove P of k plus 1. This is the final step. Okay. What you have to do? Up to Pk you go first. Another one step you have to go. K plus 1. Okay. You see. One by 1 plus k plus 1. 1 by 1 by k plus 1. Okay. Is it okay now? Okay. Here RHS k plus 1 plus 1 k plus 2. See what you have to do. You box this RHS of pk plus 1. This we have to prove. Okay. This you have to prove. Okay. You see now. One important step also again you have to write. To prove pk plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS, that also you have to write. Write down. To prove P of k plus 1 comma LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. This also you have to prove. Okay. Let us take LHS. We will take LHS. Let us see RHS. Are we able to prove or not? LHS is equal to. You see, up to 1 by 1 plus k. 1 plus 1 by k. I can replace this k plus 1. You replace this k plus 1. Afterwards, into is there. Then you put parenthesis. Here, rather than parenthesis, put to bracket. Why? Because see, k plus 1 again you have to put in parenthesis. 1 plus 1 by k plus 1. Okay. This will be good practice. Okay. Now, k plus 1, like that only you keep k plus 1 into 1 plus 1 divided by k plus 1. That you have to write. You write down. K plus 1 into, here you see, k plus 1 plus 1 by k plus 1. Is it okay? You see, now you don't require this bracket. K plus 1 by k plus 1. You see, k plus 1 by k plus 1. This is outside multiplication into. Okay? Yeah, or else you put a dot. Okay. Now you see here, this k plus 1 are going to get cancelled. If these two are going to get cancelled, then k plus 1 means k plus 2. You see this box 1. Okay? Okay. Now what you have to write? LHS is equal to RHS, Pn is true. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS, P of n is true. Okay? Okay. This is 14th question. Let us go for 15th. See the 15th question. 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. You see all odd numbers are coming. After 1, 2 has not come. 3, 4 has not come. 5. Like that odd numbers are there. 2n minus 1 whole square. This is addition only. Okay, square and addition is equal to n into 2n minus 1 into 2n plus 1 by 3 you have to prove. This statement you have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. And n belongs to capital N. That means this n is natural numbers like they have given. That step is over. Or else you can write, repeat that. Now Pn we have to write. Proposition. What I am writing, this only I am changing as Pn. You repeat. You don't change. Okay. Now proposition also over. Now two steps are over. Third step is P of 1. Let us write P of 1. P of 1 is equal to P of 1. You see, first step you have to take 1 square. Or else you go here. 2 into 1, 2. 2 minus 1, 1. 1 square. 1 square has come. That is equal to. Here 1 into 2 into 1, 2 minus 1. 1 into 2 into 1, 2 plus 1, 3 divided by 3. 3 going to get cancelled. 1 into 1, 1 square or 1. 1, 1. That means LHS is equal to RHS has come. Okay? Both are same. LHS is equal to RHS. Now what we have to write? You have to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. That is very important. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. This step also over. 3 steps are over. 2 steps are left. P of k plus 1. Let us write P of k first. P of k. Repeat this n by replacing n with k. 2k minus 1 whole square is equal to k into 2k minus k. 2k minus 1, 2k plus 1 by 3. Okay. This is pk. After writing of pk, another important step is assume pk is true. You have to write. Let us write assume pk is true. Assume P of k is true. Okay. This is also very important step. You have to write anyway. Okay. Now you see Pn, P1, Pk, n also over. All 4 steps are over. Final step is P of k plus 1. Let us write P of k plus 1. Okay. P of k plus 1. Okay. Now you see P of k plus 1. One step more you have to write. You write down first P of k up to P of k. 2k minus 1 whole square. This is up to pk and P of k plus 1. You see 2 into what I am going to write. You see 2 into k plus 1 minus 1. Now because k plus 1 is there. Here pk is there. That is why 2k minus 1 has come. Here 2 of k plus 1 minus 1. You see here 2k plus 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 what will going to become? 1. That you have to write here. 2k plus 1. You write down 2k plus 1 whole square. How it has come you understand now? Here 2k minus 1 has come. Here 2k plus 1 has come. Because k you have replaced with k plus 1. If you replace like this, this will come. Okay. Okay, just come here. You see here, k means k plus 1 will come. Write down k plus 1. 2 of k minus 1 already we have written. 2 of k minus 1 will come 2k plus 1. Okay. Now 2k plus 1 will we have to see. 2 of k plus 1 plus 1. This one. In place of k we have written k plus 1. You see 2k plus 2 plus 1. 2k plus 3. Is it okay? We will write 2k plus 3 there. 2k plus 3 divided by 3. Now what you have to do, you box this RHS. Okay, this you have to prove now. RHS you have to prove by taking LHS. Another important step is to prove PK plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. That also you have to write. Write down. To prove P of K plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Okay, let it be. We'll take LHS. We'll try to solve this. Okay, because we have to get that one. Okay, let us write LHS is equal to, if you see LHS up to here 2k minus 1 whole square, I can replace this now. Definitely I can replace. You write down that one. 2 into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 divided by 3. Why? Because up to here only. Another one 2k plus 1 whole square has to come. Plus 2k plus 1 whole square by 1 I am taking. Why? Because if you take then LCM or cross multiplication, anything you can do. Okay, now you see cross multiplication only you do. 1 into this thing, 3 into this thing. Okay, write down. 1 into this means simply you copy this. K into 2k minus 1 into 2k plus 1 plus 3 into this one. 3 into 2k plus 1 whole square divided by 3 into 1. Okay. Okay. Now you see here before proceeding, 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 common is there, but you see 2k plus 1 gone outside, then k into 2k minus 1 will come, but here 3 into 2k plus 1, 2k plus 1 will be there. Why? Because this is square. Here square is not there. That you have to keep in your mind. 2k plus 1 I have taken common. I am putting bit bracket. Now k into 2k minus 1. See, one more step shall I write or shall I directly send inside? 2k square minus k will come. Okay. 2k square minus k. Okay. This side plus this side. Okay. That side plus 3 into here. So why anyway further we have to write. Okay. K into 2k minus 1 I am writing. 3 into 2k plus 1 also I am writing. Okay. Okay. But are all divided by 3 is there. That you should not confuse. Okay. Now further expansion I am going to do. Okay, further expansion. Two k square minus k plus 6k plus 3 divided by 3. Okay, now you stop and analyze. What you require? You require this one. Denominator is 3. Denominator 3 is over. Denominator you do nothing. Okay, numerator 2k plus 1 is there. 2k plus 1 is there. Now k plus 1 into 2k plus 3 has to come. What you have to do? You multiply this k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. If this result is same, you see here 5k is there. 6k minus k, 5k. That you keep in our mind. 2k square plus 5k plus 3. Okay. Okay, now 2k square plus 5k plus 3 is there. You see, k plus 1 into 2k plus 3, you write first k plus 1 into 2k plus 3. Okay, 2k square, 3k plus 2k, 5k, 1 into 3, 3. Same thing is there. Then you write 2k plus 1 by 3. That is equal to RHS. Is it okay now? You see? Okay? See, that is why I have asked you to box this RHS. Why? Because after coming up to this position, then you once again go back and see what you want to receive. By seeing RHS, you have to adjust. That's all. Okay, finally, what you have to write? You have to write LHS is equal to RHS, PN is 2. Write down. LHS is equal to RHS, comma, PN is true. Okay? Now we have finished it. This is 15th question. Let us go for 16th question. See the 16th question. 1 by 1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 10 up to 1 by 3n minus 1 into 3n plus 1. This you have to prove as n by 3n plus 1. This we have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. N belongs to capital N, they have given. First step is over. Second step, Pn, proposition we have to take. I am taking this as proposition, but you don't rub, you have to write repeat. Okay? Okay. Okay. Two steps are over. Next step, third step is P of 1. Find P of 1. See, P of 1. First, blindly you can take. Okay, first one. Or else if you got any doubt, you see 3 into 1. 3 minus 2, 1, 1. 3 into 1, 3 plus 1, 4. 1 by 1 into 4, 1 by 4. Okay, here also 1 by 4. LHS is equal to RHS. If LHS is equal to RHS comes at P is equal to P of 1, then what you have to write? Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. Write down. Pn is true for n is equal to 1. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. Now 3 steps are over. Now pk and pk plus 1 steps are pending. Write down first p of k. Repeat this pn but replacing with n with k. Okay, 1 by 3k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 is equal to k by 3k plus 1. Okay? Is this okay? Okay. 1 by 3k minus 2 into 3k plus 1 is equal to k by 3k plus 1. Okay. Now what you have to do? Important step you have to write. Assume pk is true. Yes, that you have to write. Write down assume pk is true. Okay. We have written assume pk is true also. Next important step, pk plus 1. Pk plus 1 you write pk plus 1. P of k plus 1. Now you see only pk, extend this one. Okay. 1 by 1.1 into 4 plus 1 by 4 into 7 plus you write first pk. 3k minus 2, 3k plus 1 plus. Here important step is that you see k you have to replace as k plus 1. See 3k minus 2 you are writing 3k plus 1 minus 2. 3k plus 3 minus 2. 3k plus 1. Is it okay? Write down 3k plus 1. Okay. Here also 3k plus 1 is there. Okay. You see here 3k plus 1 is there. But you have to write 3k plus 1 plus 1. Why? Because k you have to replace as k plus 1. Earlier k was there, now k plus 1. K was there, k plus 1. This will come 3k plus 3 plus 1. 3k plus 4. Okay? Write down 3k plus 4. See, this is LHS only you have written until now. But RHS also you have to write. RHS simply you can write. You see, k means k plus 1 divided by 3k plus 1 already here we have converted. 3k plus 1 will come 3k plus 4. You write down 3k plus 4. Okay? Afterwards you box this RHS. Why? Because this you have to receive finally. Okay? Next, write to prove LHS is equal to PK plus 1, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay, you write down. To prove P of k plus 1, comma, LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Okay. Okay, see now, let us take LHS then. We proceed further by taking LHS. Why? Because we have to receive k plus 1 by 3k plus 4. LHS is equal to LHS while taking, you see, up to 3k plus 1. Value is there here, k by 3k plus 1. You write down that value, k by 3k plus 1 plus this value you have to write again, 1 by 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. See, when you have put under parenthesis, you put this also under parenthesis. That will be good. Okay? Okay. Okay, now we can take 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4 as LCM. Or else we can do cross multiplication. Both are same. K into 3k plus 1 into 3k plus 4. Okay? And 1 into 3k plus 1 plus 3k plus 1 divided by you see carefully here, 3k plus 1 square will come. Why? Because 2 times are there, or else you can write 2 times. Is it okay now? Okay, now stop here, analyze. But anyway, so not stop, you first you take common. 3k plus 1 common is there, you take that common. Afterwards we will see. 3k plus 1 common is there. If you take this common, okay, 3k plus 4 into k, 3k square plus 4k, 3k square plus 4k, okay, plus here nothing is there means 1 divided by 3k plus 1 square, 3k plus 4. Why I have written separately? Why? Because I want to cancel these two. Okay. Now you see denominator 3k plus 1, 3k plus 4 will come. 3k plus 1, 3k plus 4. Okay. Stop now. Why? Because these two I have cancelled. Now no 3k plus 1. Only 1 3k plus 1, 1 3k plus 4. Okay. See here 3k plus 4 is there. 3k plus 1 you don't require. Then what you have to do? This you may divide this with 3k plus 1. This is one option, first option. Second option, if we compare numerator k plus 1 has to come. But here k plus 1 is there, not there. That means if we divide with k plus 1, then k plus 1 may come. This we may come. Now what you understand? K plus 1 into 3k plus 1. These two are essential. If you write here automatically, if you multiply k plus 1 into 3k plus 1, this result may come. Like that you have to think. What I mean to say, you understand, na? You see here 3k plus 1 is there, but 3k plus 1 is not there. 3k plus 4 only is there. 3k plus 1 is there means this you have to cancel. How you are going to cancel? Unless numerator same value comes, you are not able to cancel out each other. That means 3k plus 1 you have to split it. Another important point, Here k plus 1 is there. That indicate that k plus 1 into 3k plus 1 if you write. You understand now? You see what I am writing here. K plus 1 I am writing, okay? K plus 1. Additional k, what is there? 3k plus 1. 3k plus 1 is there. Okay. Now what I mean to suppose to say, 3k plus 1, 3k plus 1, if you are going to get cancelled, k plus 1 by 3k plus 4 is come. 3k plus 1 by 3k plus 4. This you require. 3k plus 1 you have to cancel out. That means numerator 3k plus 1 has to come. And another one, final result k plus 1 has to come. K plus 1. Now write and you see k into 3k. 3k square. Okay. K into 1. K. 1 into 3k. K. K plus 3k. 4k. 4k has come. 1 into 1. 1. Now your LHS RHS has come. You write down that is equal to RHS. Hence Pn is true. You understand now this? Like this you have to think. That is why I always tell to box this RHS. What you result? See here, these questions, these are not simplification like. These are like prove. You have to prove this anyway. To prove this, you have to bring your answer such that it comes like this. Your answer has to reach here. Like that you have to think. Okay? Okay. Let us go 17th question. That will be last question for this class. See the 17th question. 1 by 3 into 5 plus 1 by 5 into 7 plus 1 by 7 into 9. This goes up to 1 by 2n plus 1 into 2n plus 3 is equal to n by 3 into 2n plus 3. This you have to prove by principle of mathematical induction. N belongs to capital N natural number. They have given first condition is over. Second condition I am changing this as Pn. Second condition is also over. Okay. Second step. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to find P1. P of 1. As you know, P of 1 means first term I have to take 1 by 15. You see 3 into 5, 15. 15. 1 by 15. But even then I will see here by substituting this n is equal to 1. 1, 2 plus 1, 3. 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5. 3 into 5, 15. Okay. Go for RHS. 1. 2 into 1, 2 plus 3, 5 into 3, 15. 1 by 15 is equal to 1 by 15. LHS is equal to RHS. Okay? Okay. Now what I have to write? I have to write Pn is true for n is equal to 1. Write down. P of n is true for n is equal to 1. Okay. 3 steps are over. N belongs to n, Pn, P1. Now fourth step is Pk. Write down the Pk. P of k. Okay. Repeat n but replacing with k. Okay. This is P of k. Okay. See, P of k after writing important step you have to write. Assume Pk is true. That is very essential. Why? Because you have to assume Pk is true like that only how to proceed. Write down. Assume P of k is true. Okay? Okay. Now, Pk is true also we have written. Now we go for P of k plus 1. P of k plus 1. Write down P of k plus 1. You go up to Pk plus 1. First you write Pk. This is up to Pk. Now here carefully you write P of k plus 1. 2k plus 1 is there. You see 2k plus 1 2 of k plus 1 you have to write. 2k plus 2 plus 1. 2k plus 3 directly I am writing. Okay? Write down. 2k plus 3. Okay? Okay. 2k plus 3. See, 1 is there, 3 has come. 3 is there, 5 will come. 2 plus 3. Okay? 2k plus 3, 5. Okay, this is LHS. RHS you have to write. Okay. See, RHS you can write. Why? Because k means k plus 1, 3 into 2k plus 3. Here what we have written? 2k plus 5. Is it okay? Okay. Now what you have to do? This RHS you box it. Why? Because this is going to guide us. What you have to do under. Okay. Afterwards what you have to write? You have to write to prove. Write down. To prove P of k plus 1 LHS is equal to RHS. Okay. This you have to prove. Okay. Now let us take LHS. Okay, see LHS if you observe carefully up to 2k plus 3 is there some value k by 3 into 2k plus 3. You write down that one. K by 3 into 2k plus 3. Okay, plus this one again up to here only, that k by 3k plus 1. Again this you have to write 1 by 2k plus 3 2k plus 5 is equal to, okay, you write down k into 2k plus 3 2k plus 5 plus 3 into 2k plus 3 divided by, you see here this multiplication 3 into 2k plus 3 square is there. What I am going to do? I am going to do 2k plus 3 square first. 2k plus 3 square, 3 into 2k plus 5. Okay, don't send inside. Why? Because see, let me see, some cancellations are going to happen. And now what I am going to do, these top two steps I am removing. You note down, I am putting one line and the top two steps are going to remove, and I am going to make a further calculation in top. Here space is there. One step shall I write here? Let me try for one step. 2k plus 3 we can take common. You see 2k plus 3. Take the common of 2k plus 3. Okay, 2k plus 3 if you take common, k into 2k plus 5 plus 3. That's all. Okay, 2k plus 3 I am writing here. Again 3 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 5 I am writing. Why? Because see, 2k plus 3, 2k plus 3 are going to get cancelled. One I have written. Another one I have written here, you see. 3 into 2k plus 3 into 2k plus 5. Okay? Okay. Now 3 into 2k plus 5 we want. 3 into 2k plus 5. 2k plus 3 has to be cancelled. Yeah, I don't think space is there. We'll go top. Before going, I have to put one line. Okay. Okay, you see, observe carefully. 2k plus 3 are both cancelled. Both cancelled. Now see, denominator 3 into 2k plus 5 has to come. 3 into 2k plus 5. What I am writing, you see here. 3 into 2k plus 5 I have written. 2k plus 3 additionally I am writing. Okay, separately. Okay. Now you see carefully, if you observe, numerator k plus 1 has to receive. Here 2k square plus 5k plus 3 will come. Okay, right now 2k square plus 5k plus 3. 2k square plus 5k plus 3. Okay. Now you see what you receive. You want 2k plus 3 has to get cancelled. That means this to be divided by 2k plus 3. You have to split it. Okay. I am splitting. How I am splitting? You see. Carefully observe now. 2k plus 3 I want to cancel means numerator 2k plus 3 I have to write divided by 2k plus 3 I will write into 3 into 2k plus 5 also I am writing. You see, these two get cancelled, but finally what has to come? K plus 1 has to come. You write k plus 1 also. Okay, now these two are going to get cancelled and k plus 1 by 3 into 2k plus 1 will come. K plus 1 by 3 into 2k plus 1 will come. But see, this is okay, denominator, same. But numerator, in place of this we have written. Now you check whether after multiplication this quadratic is coming or not. Not equation this is. Why? Because is equal to 0 is not there. Quadratic expression we can say. After multiplication of these two, whether quadratic expression is coming or not, you see. You see 2k into k, 2k square. 2k square is there. Okay. 2k into 1, 2k. 3 into k, 3k. 2k plus 3k, 5k. 5k is there. 3 into 1, 3. Then over. Your RHS has come. You write down RHS. Okay. Finally, what you have to write? You have to write Pn is true. Hence, P of n is true. That's all. Okay, you understand now? See, unless you box and make some focus on this RHS, you are not able to receive this. Or else you are going to cosine calculate. Why? Because in which direction you have to go, you should know. You have to go in this direction. You have to bring these two, numerator and denominator. Like that, you have to think and proceed further. Now we finished the 17th question. What we do, we stop this class here only. Next class, we will try to solve remaining 18 onwards. Why? Because see 18 to 24, 18, 19, 20, 21, 22, 23, 24, 7 questions are there. We will try to solve these 7 questions in further 2 classes. Why? Because within 1 class we are not able to complete this. Okay. Another 2 classes are required for complete this mathematical induction. Thank you very much.